Good morning. I just wanted to send out a video. I've had parents and students ask questions about Flocabulary. Some students think they need a code to get into this site. You don't. We tried this site, so I hooked it all up to your Google accounts. Again, we chose this site because it's engaging. It starts with a rap song. We know in the beginning it was overwhelming. We don't want it to be that way, so we adjusted some things. But when kids go in, they need to click the login button at the top. And then a box will pop up and you need to click log in with Google. Now students, this is where a box will pop up and you'll be able to enter in your email address. Now I'm just going to use one of my students because then you can see it from their perspective. So you'll type in your email and then it'll ask you on the next screen to type in your password. So click next. And then you'll type in your password, the same one you use to get onto a Chromebook or check your email. Click next, and then it will redirect you to the site, and if you logged in right, you'll see your name at the top. Now the word assignments is up here. You have to click this because it has a number 1. That number 1 shows you have one assignment to do. So you'll click that. And then it tells you in a box, it will pop up and remind you of what you need to do. So these are the 2 things we've assigned. You'll click start, and then you'll notice that there's yellow dots next to the things that you need to do. So for this opinion writing assignment, which was due yesterday, and I have some of you that still need to complete it, you'll click video and watch the video. When you're done, you'll click the read and respond. Now the read and respond, hopefully it works. I've heard on Chromebooks this icon's not working, but you can click this little book with a speaker and it will read to you. Now for whatever reason, if it doesn't read to you, you might want to have a friend, somebody in your family help you read it, or try it on your own and do the best you can. That's all we can ask of you. You'll go through and click this, you'll answer the question and then confirm your answer. It will tell you if you're right or wrong. When you're all done, then your assignment will be submitted, but you have to finish both of these in order to get credit. When Mrs. Lahr checks over the assignment, it'll show me who has completed both the video and the read and respond. So you have to do both in order to get credit for the assignment. I hope that makes sense. I'm hoping this video helps you just with a nice visual so you understand what you need to do. Thank you.